Hello everyone. Have you ever been in a situation where you open ChatGPT and ask a question, only to find that his answer is vague and doesn't meet your expected? Or when you open Midjourney and want to create images that are as beautiful as everyone else's, but you come up with images that aren't, again, mainly because you don't know how to use prompt words. So in today's video I'm going to present 4 of my most used AI prompter sites. And they're perfectly free. First one, Snackprompt. This site offers a large number of ChatGPT ready-made prompts that you can edit as needed and copy directly. And there are free Chrome and Edge extensions that you can use directly. On the homepage you can see the hottest ChatGPT prompts. You can add details on the right side, and you can choose different languages and styles. This way the content you want to generate will be more professional and specific. Second, Flowgpt. You can also see the hottest prompts directly on the homepage, which covers many areas and has a nice UI. You need to log in. Click on the prompt you want. And then you will see the ChatGPT module already on the back side of the page. And you can use the prompt you just selected directly, very convenient. Third, Prompt Hero. The prompting resources on this site include ChatGPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, OpenJourney and DALL-E. If we take SD as an example, and click on SD to find the AI image style we want to generate, we can see that the image cues are provided here, along with all the necessary parameters, such as what model is used, etc. Another advantage of this site is that you can use the image generation tool that comes with the site to make images. In the upper right corner, the free version will have 25 credits. Besides that, you can see the prompt words for common types at the bottom and then find the style of image you want. Last one, Public Prompts. This site offers a lot of high-quality Stable Diffusion prompts. And as you can see, the differences in style between the various types are particularly pronounced. And this site covers a wide range of areas that basically meet most people's needs. You just need to find the type you like, click on it, and copy and paste the prompt. It is important to note that the color cues can be modified, so you can edit them to suit your needs. Personally, I think the quality of this site is very high. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you can find something you like in it.